साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ते पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुवाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम जय श्री राम। जय जय राम जय सीताराम। जय जय राम जय राधे श्याम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम। ओम नमः शिवाय 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। 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 ओम नमो नारायण। राम 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 सीताराम 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 जय हनुमान सीताराम 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 जय हनुमान जय हनुमान जय मा जय हनुमान जय हनुमान राम 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 राम। ओम सं नो मित्र सं नो वरुणः सं नो भवत्वर्यमा सं नो इंद्रो बृहस्पतिः सं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो। त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मावतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। Kindly keep your eyes closed and get ready for the practice of meditation. Keep your spine erect, upright and straight, and gently close your eyes. Feel the state of harmony, feel the state of tranquility, feel the state of calmness. Withdraw your mind from all worldly distraction, withdraw your mind from all worldly preoccupation, and feel the state of calmness, feel the state of tranquility. Look your face smiling just like a full moon. Feel the divine energy on your face. Feel the transmit the divine Shakti. and think and feel, I am the peace. I'm not the body. I'm not the mind. I'm not the senses. I'm not the ego. I'm not the intellect. I am the ocean of joy. I am the ocean of compassion. Almighty Lord is within me, with me. I'm cheerful. I'm blissful. I'm happy. I'm so blessed. And gradually bring the awareness in the tip of the nose and feel the flow of the prana. Constant, unbroken, unceasing flow of the breathing process. Inhale prana, exhale apana. Inhale courage, inhale willpower, exhale releasing all the worries and preoccupation. Feel the breath, feel the prana, feel the energy. The same breath we are taking the moment you born. The same breath is continuing right now, day and night. While you're sleeping, while every action you breath never stop. And gradually feel the breath is coming tip of the nose to the throat area. And gradually the breath is falling throat up to the navel. The navel area, the very important psychic center, Manipur chakra, and throat area, Vishuddhi chakra. Feel the breath in between navel and throat, ascending navel to throat, descending throat to navel. Inhale, navel to throat. Inhale Manipur, exhale Vishuddhi. And with the breath, repeat 11 times the mantra Soham. Breathe Ujjayi breath, Ujjayi pranayama. Synchronize the mantra Soham. And this is how you are starting your inner blissful divine cosmic journey. Soham, Soham, जाप करो सद्गुरुदेव का ध्यान करो. सोहम ब्रह्मा सोहम विष्णु सोहम जी सोहम आत्मा शिव परमात्मा. सोहम सोहम जाप करो. सोहम सोहम जाप करो. Continue, synchronize the mantra with the breath, and gradually your mind will state of calmness, state of tranquility, state of harmony. Continue. Just a few moments, you feel, you experience total calmness. And focus your mind now in the heart area, Anahata chakra. Heart is the seat of soul. And feel that light, violet light in the heart area, light of joy, light of peace, and feel the cosmic transmission of energy. And listen to your voice, your higher self, and you feel, you experience, my nature is Sat Chit Ananda. I am the bliss. Almighty Lord resides within me. Continue feeling that energy. Shri Harim Paramanandam Upadeshtarameshwaram Vyapakam Sarvalokanam Karanam Tam Namamayam Aparokshanuhutirvai Prochyate Mokshasiddhaye Sadbhireva Prayatnena Vikshaniya Muhurmuhu Swavarnasramadharmena Tapasa Haritoshana Sadhanam Prabhavet Punsam Vairagyadi Chatushtayam Brahmadistavaranteshu Vairagyam Viseshvanu यथैव काकविष्टायां वैराग्यं तद्विनिर्मलम् नित्यात्मा स्वरूपं हि दृश्यं तद्विपरीगतम् एवं यो निश्चय सम्यक् विवेको वस्तुना सदैव वासना त्यागः समादम इति शब्दिता निग्रहो बाह्यवृत्तिनां दम इत्याभिधीयते विष्यभ्य परावृत्तिः परमो परमर्हिषा सहनं सर्वदुःखानां तितिक्षा सा सुभामता निगमाचार्यवाक्येषु भक्तिः श्रद्धेति विश्रुता चित्ते कागं तु सलक्ष्ये समाधानम् इति स्मृतं संसारबन्धनिर्मुक्तिः कथं मे स्यात् कदा विभो इति आश्रुता भक्तिर्व्यासा विविक्षता ओम शांति। Feel presence of divine within you. Your nature is Satchidanand. Your nature is bliss. Your nature is Shanti. In a few seconds, a few moments, you can see the spark of divine within you. All obstacles disappear, difficulties, and you feel, I am the bliss. My nature is Shanti, the peace. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. Kindly open your eyes. Hari Om. Hari Om. Thank you so much. I'm very happy. All of you here. Oh my God. First time Yogi Ramesh Pandey from California. An old friend, more than 25 years. All of you, Ram, Namdev, all out, we are wonderful people. Today is a special communion union with divinity. 1976, I completed 50-year golden jubilee. And Swami Satyananda, my guru, celebrated in Rikhiya, his birthday of mine. And that 7,000 people were in the ashram. And he said to me, I'm open secret. My birthday and Brahmavardhan birthday same day. And that 25 years now passed. Swami Satyananda left. His physical body 12 years, but he's in my heart. The Guru gives the Shakti. The mother, father, they give the physical body. This body nothing but 5 elements. This 5 pancha, 5 elements. But Almighty Lord, within you, that soul manifests within you. The celebration, nothing but experience bliss within, joy within, happiness within. Experience, do the good karma. God sent us to the good action, the good deed. And the purpose of this life, to realize yourself, your nature. According to the Vedic tradition, there are 4 Purushartha. What is called 4 Purushartha. Artha, Kama, Dharma and Moksha. Artha, Kam belong to the gross element. Dharma and Moksha belong to higher person. 2 for worldly people and 2 for cosmic. We do your karma, the action, the deed, what I should do in this life. What is my nature in this life? What I am doing? Believe or not, This year is 60th year today. I left my home and 40 years living, serving the Western world. The 75 is not birthday, this body, but soul is immortal. The soul, the Atma, the spirit, never born, never die. This physical body, God has given you to perform the good action, the good deed. God is your mind, the spirit, the intellect, emotion to the good karma, good action, so you can be good instrument. 75, I left India at 46 years. Because Swami Satyananda sent me, my Guru sent me to complete my mission. And I fulfilled my karma, my dharma. So artha, kama. We do karma, action, words and deed, all kind of work. Looking you do the karma, hearing you do the karma, talking you do the karma, hand, legs, all the karma you do. But that karma, that action, word, thought and deed, never hurt no one. Your action not to hurt, good karma. Action do. Karma should be, we do, and artha come to you. Artha, Mahalakshmi manifest. The Mahalakshmi, artha. And she give perform whatever you needed. I will tell the secret. When 1975 leave the ashram, that time Reserve of India given permission to take only $7. Artha. Reserve Bank of India, New Delhi, they give $7. My dear children, you want to go abroad, go. But that is the India tradition bank, $7. I left the India, $7. And when my Guruji Satyananda come, I give him back the $7. Swamiji, I don't know what to do, this money. I give him back when he made to Bolivia again. So artha, we do. Earth and calm go together. Your action, your deed, teaching, practicing, meditating, do karma, family. You're all family people. I'm sannyasi. I'm a Swami. I live my family. But you are my family now. Do the action that perform, be good yourself and other people. Learn, forget and forgive. Whatever the person do back to you, learn, forget and forgive, you'll be happy. The teaching of Lord Buddha. Buddham saranam gacchami, yogam saranam gacchami, sangam saranam gacchami. Forget and forgive. Do your karma. Earth will come, distribute each and every cent, benefit of all the people. So artha kam you doing. Then dharma. What is your dharma? Your duty, what is action? Dharma to yourself, your family, your word, and finally, my dear friend, moksha, nirvana, anubhuti, auto-realization, self-realization. The purpose of the human by God has given you to realize yourself, and then you go this world. This body is just you got it to do your purpose to realize yourself. Animal, they do the karma. What if an animal, the bird, the fish live in the water? Can fish live without the water? Fish live in the water, she born, she procreated. So we live, whole world is water and we are just like a fish living. Fish cannot live. We cannot live without the world, but learn how to live and realize yourself. Who am I? Anubhuti, moksha. I was reading first approach Sri Harim Paramanandam. Apare Sri Harim Paramananda Upadeshta Rameshwaram. Oh Lord Narayana, you send me this planet. I have to realize your nature within me. No fear disappeared, worry disappeared, all. So, our purpose to realize yourself. Once you know, you're not only the body, not the sense or intellect, everything taking care. When we are mother womb, where all we are come from the mother womb, you're also mother. The 9 months when who take care of us? How the creation takes place? The creation takes place when we are in the womb of the mother. Who create the eyes, the nose, the ear, the finger, everything. 9 months creation takes place. God is within mother. The mother is the first God. That's called Matru Deva Bhava. Matru, the mother, is the first God, first Guru. And that 9 months, who take care? God take care. The God take everything. The God take care of. Sorry if you have a microphone, keep off. Telephone, keep off, my dear friend, with my request. So, 9 months, who take care? God take care. Who make the beautiful being? And then this body, divine gate open, and we come here, we grow. Human being goes 3 stages. We are children, then go middle age and old age. I was a children, but I cannot go back again children. I was in middle age, you are the middle age, then maybe I become older. I don't consider older. But what not change? Your body change and you call it children. Then you become middle age, it's 25, 30, you become middle age. Then you become older, 50, 60, 70, 80. What is not change? Your soul is the same. In the children, in the middle age, old age, soul is the same, or spirit is the same. Change only body. That's why also we have 3 stages. 3 stages. Jagrat, Nidra and Swapna. Waking state, sleeping state and dreaming state. We are wake up. Then we dream, we sleep, we dream. But always, one who always never sleep, that is your soul, the spirit, the Atma is there. You become older, middle age, are children. When you are waking, sleeping and dreaming, outside is a light. When the light, there is no darkness. Light of joy, light of bliss, light of anandam. Darkness you cannot see. But light, the 2 eyes external, the light is within us, the eyes. But my dear friend, when you dream, you saw very clearly. There is light. Light within you, that's why you have the dream. And dream is so clear. They manifest. God manifests. So first conclusion, have faith in the God. Faith means Shraddha, the Prem, Bhakti, Karuna. You must have unconditional faith on the God. Every creation the God. What we do is the karma, teaching, practicing, working, bank, post office, doesn't who you are. This just karma you're doing action. But your first karma, to realize your nature, to realize yourself, and life is fulfilled. Then you don't have fear to die, fear to death. I saw in my personal experiences, when I was 10 years old, I have my sister, and she was 8, she died. And I said, what is death? When I was 10 years old, my father died. I said, I love these people, say die. Then I was trying to understand Bhagavad Gita, teaching of Lord Krishna. Then asking the question, My mother, my guru, she guide me because she gives my body. And she tell me, if you want to search, you want to go to your guru, you go. I have my permission. How blessed I am. She give permission. They say, and she, I'm telling frankly, she don't know to read or write. She belongs to the very wealthy family called landlord family. She don't know read or write. And she say, you want to go to the Guruji? Go, go, go. And she give me 108 rupees. That time tradition. That's why the body is here. I travel this, my instrument, this body is my instrument. But I bless it with the mother. Bless it. My father is the first guru. I learned yoga from my guru. I learned asana from him. Meditation from him. So I got my mother, my father, and my guru. Swami Satyananda gave me everything and he sent me. This is a very special relation between me and Swami Satyananda. Guru you need, mother, father they give. So in the beginning we have to teach our children not to be a doctor, lawyer, engineer or professional again the money maker business, to be a human being. That's I'm telling that I got it. Your taste, water and oil you cannot mix together. This world is temporary, 50, 60, 70, one day you have to go back to home. So in the beginning, we should educate our children. That children can be. You know, Julie, the grandson, I gave him name Ananda. She gave Altura. He's a very sweet soul. Look. So children, spiritual education go in the beginning, then foundation becomes strong. You see the tree, but you cannot see the root. The root of the spirituality is strong. I am telling with my experiences. I read the book, but I live with the Divine Master Satyananda. He preached me, he guided me. He's a so wonderful person. He's not physically. So my dear friend, think, analyze your life. My life should be good karma, good deed, and I realize the God, and worries disappeared in my life. Preoccupation disappeared. Unhappiness disappeared. These are literature. Tamas, state of tamas. Tamasic state of mind, rasic state, and sattvic, the three kind of mind projected. The tamas state. Tamasic state, the mind predominant, angry, worried, preoccupation, all negative thing. That the state of mind. Now you are listening to what kind of state of mind you are now. I am talking with my state of harmony and my sattvic mind. What kind of mind you have? So, tamasic mind, always angry, worried, preoccupation, fighting, just try to fighting each other. And rasic mind, Raja, the king, your Raja, mind control, dominate, ego. And that rasic said mind, also you are not balanced, harmony, tamasic. So we have to enter in the state of sattvic mind, the pure mind, the calm mind, the well-trained mind, who always ready to forgive everyone. If someone to harm you, they cannot harm you, they harm by themselves. You know, one example I will tell, you want to drink the milk, and suddenly fly come and dip in that milk, fly go. What happened? She finished her life. You cannot drink the water, you become angry. I was drinking water, milk, and the fly come and dip my milk. This happened. Someone hurt you, my friend, they hurt by themselves. Situation, the material life, full of miserable life. Material life, that's why we practice spiritual life. That's why need of the Guru, the need of. I always say, Prema Bhakti Karuna. Develop that. Prem, Bhakti and Karuna. That is great treasure. This is sattvic mind. Prem, unconditional love. Love without expectation. Doesn't matter who they are. But we love and we want to get back. You are doing business, my dear friend. You are not loving. Love is giving. Sun every day come. Sun giving light to everyone. Don't respect anyone. The air gone. The divine mother, earth mother. We walk in the earth. Millions of people walking the earth. She is never tired. Earth mother give everything. This body nothing but earth. We take food from the earth. The divine mother, earth, she never expect anything. Protect the mother. So love should given, not receiving. Difficult to understand. But I am telling, we have to practice to give. Charity is not only money. Charity of love, charity of good thought, charity of affection, charity of courage, charity of willpower. Each word you can make happy. That's what we try to do. The life of Swami is giving. Swami Shivananda. I have not met my Param Guru, but I live his ashram. Always I tell, he should stay, be good and do good. That was teaching. Be humble and be simple. Give respect, take respect. Give respect, take respect. Swami Sattan, Shivananda. Meditate, love, give, serve and realize. That is Ashtanga Yoga of Swami Shivananda. Swami Shivananda is a doctor. He is an Ayurvedic doctor. He went to Malaysia to practice it. And there was working from out of India. He born in Madras, Tamil Nadu. He went as a doctor. And he don't find doing everything doctor with his soul. Then he got a vision, he come back. Swami Shivananda come back. He went to Himalaya. Serving the poor unknown people, giving the medicine, sadhu, and all the serving. Then one day, he got one Swami, and he said, today your name is Shivananda. He got his Guru in 5 minutes, and the Guru disappeared. He belonged to his name is Vishwanath, his Guru, tradition, and he went to find his Guru, find out. Finally, he never got his Guru, but he realized Shivananda, the divine being himself, and Swami Shivananda founded his mission, Divine Life Society, Rishikesh. Every day, every year I used to go there. Swami Shivananda has a great disciple, Swami Satyananda, Chidananda, Sachidananda, Vishnu Devananda. I met most of them. And Shivananda teaching spirit everywhere through Swami Satyananda. They were tradition, Shivananda, Satyananda, and Brahmodana here, physical body. So what he has given his disciple, what our Guru given, all this one, to change the quality of life, quality of way of thinking, not quality of life, higher life. That's what called sattvic life, the pure life. And you feel, God, give me instrument of peace. Read the poem of Ashish. Look, teaching available in the book, but Guru transmit knowledge and wisdom practically. The book knowledge is wonderful, reading the book, but living saint, they give their practices. Swami Satyananda, example of his practice. Not ordering, not telling, but practicing. I feel very happy all of you coming here. Thank you so much. Actually, official birthday mine is December 20, Monday. But Jamuna Devi, she says, Swamiji, Monday people don't come. Say hello to her, she Jamuna Devi next to me. She's the one who bring you here. Jamuna, Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. So she really is very divine soul, very, very special soul. She help us to bring all of you. Jamuna is a wonderful soul, pure soul, and she bring everyone all together. She collect all the things. That's her idea. I don't know about how that works. So many people can come together. Zoom, I don't know anything. Thank you. Gracias. Ustedes son gente, son algo muy especial. Yo quiero con mi corazón. Yo fui a Santo Domingo, el maestro Satana vino 2 veces. Él dice a Santo Domingo como a Santo Domingo, porque tenía casa allá mango y él comía mango. Él vino 2 veces a Santo Domingo. Swami Satananda, ahí vive detrás de la casa de Marina. Yo vivía César Nicolás Penso. Conoce a esa niña cuando era chiquitita. Su madre es muy especial. So, really, Guru work in different way. That difference between teacher, preacher, preacher, preach, teacher, teach. But divine Guru transmit from the heart. You know, Yogi Ramesh Pandey, I'm very happy he's there. He's a good friend. He was the best actor of Hollywood and Bollywood. Now he is laughing yogi in California. We do lot of program in California together in TV program. He make laugh the people. Yogi ji, thank you for coming. You are some wonderful Ramesh Yogi. And Ramesh Yogi has wonderful work doing in California and the world. Laughing yoga. Learn to laugh. Don't try to cry the people. Laughing is the art. Make them smile, make them joy, make them happy. God smile with you. God guide you. Smiling of Lord Krishna. Krishna. Smile and make happy. Dance of Lord Krishna with a gopi. Dance just like a gopi. So, conclusion. I want learn to give bottom the heart and you will be happy. You are all householder, your family, your children, your grandchildren, your friend, your work, your home, all do karma. But your first karma, realize who is within me, who is with me. If God is on side, no, nothing can happen. I am telling, while I was in India, I used to travel Himalaya and different parts alone myself. As a beggar. One day I was a beggar, I was taking bath and living the Ganga's water. I'm sleeping back of the Ganga. It was very interesting, because saint and sages I should meet. I traveled intensely in India, different part of the world. India is a very special land. I'm very happy I'm an Indian. I'm very happy that I got that kind of wonderful guidance from many gurus and many swamis, many teachers. So finally, okay, time finished now, 2 o'clock. I take 2 hours. Thank you. Can I drink little water, agua? Your permission, everyone? Gracias. Saludo. No hay cerveza, ese agua. No hay vino, ese puro. Agua means jal, pani, water. Look, water is the same. English you call water. Hindi call jal, pani. One is same. God has different name. You can call Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Jesus. God is only one, energy is one, light is only one. Saludo. Now, I like to ask any 1-30-minute, anything people can give their good thing, 30 minutes, 30 seconds, everyone can talk to me. Anyone can, one person one at a time, 30 seconds only. Starting from Yogi Ramesh. बोलिए जी.
Swamiji, you inspired us, you gave us spiritual blessing, you open your heart for the world, for all the to realize self-realization, self-human, self-God, and we love your message. And blessing for a happy, happy birthday from my heart with all devotees who loves you and everybody loves you. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Thank you, Yogi ji. Ramesh Pandey has a laughing yoga in California, and I have done a lot of TV program, Paramount. He was an actor in Bollywood and Hollywood. Now he's actor in a human life. He's an actor of joy. He make laugh. Laughing his own charge. He don't ask anything. And he has given key, laughing yogi. Thank you, Yogi ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Swami. Thank you.
Now anyone can say 30 seconds. Cualquier persona puede hablar. Krishna.
Hi Swamiji, want to wish you a very happy birthday.
We wish you happy birthday Monday. Today is the excuse. Today is the idea of Jamuna Devi. Actually, I'm going to celebrate my birthday in silence. I want to take that talent. No telephone call, no food, no breathing. Sorry. I will take Monday off for me. And that is a great thing. Monday taking off. Okay. Ram Rahim. Oh, Yogi there. Huh. Hari Om, Hari Om.
Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
The actual day on Monday. I know I can't call you on Monday.
I will come, don't worry.
I wish to
Thank you. Yoga Vidya.
thank you so much from all that you've done.
Thank you. Yoga Vidya.
Hello, Swamiji.
How is my dear friend Ananda?
He's very happy.
You are very blessed. You are very blessed. You are wonderful boyfriend. Your boyfriend is Ananda.
Yeah.
Sorry, I use that word with joy.
He's very, very happy all the time. Yeah. Swamiji, thank you for being in my life.
Thank
Thank you for
Thank
all
you.
your blessings.
Thank you.
It's a blessing to have you.
Myrena. How's your grandson?
El micrófono, Mayrena. Ya. ¿Me escuchan?
Sí, escuchando.
Adiós, Swamiji.
Hari Om.
Feliz cumpleaños por adelantado. Feliz de estar aquí con todos ustedes y oyendo sus palabras de bendiciones.
Gracias, mandar $5 millones. Ya recibe anoche 5 millones. Gracias.
No, no fue tanto.
Ok,
Ya,
Lilavati.
está muy bien.
Gracias, Lilavati.
Hi, Om Swamiji. Happy early birthday. I just wanted to say that you are the biggest blessing, and I'm so grateful for all of your teachings and for your presence and your pure spirit.
Hi, Amber ji. Hi. Hello.
Hi,
Karen.
Swami. Happy early birthday from all of us here and
You are my Amrit, you are my nectar. I like your name, Nectar. Hari Om.
Yeah, I like it too. I hope you have a great birthday on Monday, and I hope that we will see each other very soon.
You're in Palma or you're Santa Cruz?
Santa Cruz.
Oh, Santa Cruz. No. Okay. How's your grandma doing?
She's doing okay. I think today is a good day.
Okay. Thank you. Anyone? Okay. Jennifer.
That's you, Swamiji. Thank you. Love you so much.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
amazing.
Lucrecia. Sita. Lucrecia. ¿Estás ahí?
Sí, Swamiji, estaba tratando
me oigan, que me escuchen.
Gracias, gracias.
Feliz cumpleaños.
Ay, gracias, Dios te
a todos
bendiga.
ustedes.
Ya. Ajá.
Y gracias por todas las bendiciones que usted ha traído a nuestras vidas. Esperamos que sigamos disfrutando de su presencia muchos años.
Gracias. Ahora cualquier persona puede hablar. Yo no voy a decir a nombrar. Ustedes pueden hablar. Cualquier persona pueden hablar conmigo. Yo no voy a decir nombrar. Porque, ya.
Feliz cumpleaños, Swamiji. Aquí ando en un caos, pero decirle que lo quiero mucho. Gracias por estar
¿Está en
aquí.
Guatemala o está en Santo Domingo?
En Guatemala.
No está en Miami. No.
En Guatemala todavía.
Ok.
Gracias, Swamiji.
México. Oh. Andrea.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank
Oh.
you. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything, Swamiji. Thank
Are-
you for
are you-
giving.
Are you come back Miami for Atlanta?
Atlanta, Ackworth, north of Atlanta.
Oh God.
I wish you a happy birthday, Swamiji.
Thank you,
I wanna
thank you, thank you.
For your love, your dedication, your time.
Thank you for sending $1 million. I receive, thank you, I received $1 million. You sent me $1 million, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Yo soy millonario, todo el mundo mandaron, no mandando 5, mandando millones de todo. Yo soy millonario persona. Yo soy muy feliz porque me hicieron millonario ustedes. Ok, Andrea.
Swamiji, happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños. And thank you for all your prayers and your love for me, for my family, for all these beautiful people, for the world. You bring goodness and peace into the world.
You know, this book in my
Happy
hand,
birthday.
this book in my hand called Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad, a small book, and this cost 2 rupees, 50 paisa. 2 rupees means not 1 cent. And this book with me, 50 years. This is my friend, my book. This small book, I got Bhagavad Gita, a small book, and I read every day Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, dialogue of between Arjuna and Lord Krishna. Each student should read Bhagavad Gita and practice Bhagavad Gita. Bring their life Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a powerful teaching of Lord Krishna to each student. We are Arjuna. Arjuna is a state of anxiety, tamas, vishad. And Lord Krishna give a higher teaching. Bhagavad Gita include Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Raj Yoga, Sannyas Yoga, all kind of yoga in this book. So every practitioner should practice Bhagavad Gita, should practice every day, little bit. 2 books, Patanjali Yoga Sutra and Bhagavad Gita. The 2 books should read all the yoga practitioner. I'm telling because I read and I practice it. So I want find out Bhagavad Gita, keep it with you, and very powerful. There we used to practice in with the Guruji all this one. The 12th chapter practice of Bhakti Yoga. That very powerful. We have to be a bhakta, the devotee, follow the God. Lord Krishna teach to Arjuna. We are Arjuna. We are going to the suffering, calamity, obstacle, and how to realize, how to do your proper karma. Understanding the karma, dharma, Bhagavad Gita. Read 12th chapter, the 15th chapter, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga. So this book I carry with me wherever I go. Can you believe small little, this in Hindi, communicate Hindi and Sanskrit. So you can have your language, whatever language you speak it. So read Bhagavad Gita and read what is called Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Ashtanga Yoga, that change your quality of life. One thing we do other people, one thing you do other people, and one thing for you. Because if your wealth, spiritual wealth, your highest person in the life, material wealth you can give, but giving that cosmic wealth, and that change the quality of life. So I'm very happy. So this Another book, my Guruji giving, Aprakshana Bhuti, teaching of Jagadguru Shankaracharya. This photo of Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya, Jagadguru, we have followed Shankaracharya. Shankaracharya, when he was 8 years old, he went his mother the river Godavari in south of India take bath. And while swimming in the Godavari, the crocodile come him and he want to eat. You can see only the head, and he says, "Mom, give me freedom, go away, and he will be free." 8 of 6-year-old, this Shankaracharya, Shankara became a Swami, met his Guru, and he, the age of 23, he leave his body. But what he had done, his work, Shankaracharya, there is no word to describe Jagadguru Shankaracharya, Adyaguru Shankaracharya. This teaching, every Swami, every day used to read all the things. Sri Harim Paramanandam, Upadeshta, O Almighty Lord. Jagadguru Shankaracharya teaching is very powerful to self-realization. So, this is for the sannyasi and this is for householder. They're two small book. Very powerful teaching. Change the quality of life. Follow the teaching of Master, bring the light. Not reading for it, not novel. What you read, you practice. And what you practice, bring your life. And that transmit other people. Your friend, your family, your friend. And then, Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Whole world, your family. You say, this is my mother, my father, my brother. I say, whole world is family. And feel unity of everyone. Doesn't matter which country you belong, which color you have. We are all one. We are all one. Now, how many countries here? Spain, Guatemala, Santo Domingo. So many countries here sitting. But there's another. Now, another have time. You can talk. Socorro called me this morning and she want to come walking. She don't have a car. I said, you cannot walk. It will take 2 days to come walking your home to my home. But your food is waiting. You can come anytime. Socorro, Hari Om.
Hari Om, Swami, feliz cumpleaños. Gracias desde mi corazón por estar en mi vida, por estar en la vida de todos nosotros los que estamos muy presentes. Lo llevo siempre en el corazón. Usted nos enseña ese compromiso, esa sinceridad y esa responsabilidad que tenemos tanto con la ciencia del yoga, con usted, con el maestro Satyananda, y eso le admiro yo mucho. Y es muy agradable para nosotros tener un maestro como usted. Muchísimas gracias, Swami.
Gracias, muchas gracias. Shivoham, 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 Vahi Atma Satchidanandamay Hu, Amaratma Satchidanandamay Hu, Amaratma hai Manashil Kaya, Amaratma hai Maranashil Kaya, सभी प्राणियों के जो भीतर समाया वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो, अमरात्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो, जिसे सहस्र काटे न अग्नि जलावे, बुझावे न पानी न मृत्यु मिटावे, वही आत्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो, अमरात्मा सच्चिदानंदमय हो। शिवोहम 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 शिवोहम। This is a teaching of Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Shivoham Shivo, I am that, I am that. Jise sastra kaati na agne bulave. Weapon cannot cut, the fire cannot burn. Who is immortal, who is everywhere. In the bird, the animal, everywhere, human being, animal being, God, Atma is everywhere. Atma Joy. This is teaching of Jagadguru Shankaracharya. Okay, ¿Alguien falta hablar? Javier? Hello? Hola, Yolanda, Javier.
Felicidades.
Ay, gracias, mi niña. Parece dos niños de 5 años y 7 años. Ay, mi niña, Dios te bendiga. Yolanda parece tiene 5 años y Javier parece 7 años. O al revés. Ay, gracias. Gracias. Hola, Karuna Devi. ¿Cómo está mi niña? ¿Cómo está Guatemala?
Guatemala. Aquí mismo.
No, España.
Ah, España. Dios es amor, amor, aleluya. Dios es amor, amor, aleluya. Dios es amor, amor, aleluya. Dios es Padre, Padre, aleluya. Dios es Madre, Madre, aleluya. Aleluya, aleluya, aleluya. Dios es Jesús, Jesús, aleluya. Dios es todos, todos, aleluya. Dios es con nosotros, aleluya. Dios es con usted, aleluya. Dios es conmigo, aleluya, 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 aleluya. You know, when I was in Colombia, I used to work with the Jesuitas, well, and we sing with lot of Spanish song. I used to go church. All practice religion, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Sanatani. All rivers go to the ocean. Todos los ríos unen el mar. Todos los corrientes, no importa qué religión se practica, cuál color tiene, qué país tiene, somos hermanos, hermanas de este planeta. God, Dios es nuestro Padre. Padre, Hijo, Espíritu Santo. Then Dios, have faith on the God and the Guru. Your life journey will be powerful. You know. I have not played harmonium more than 2 years. And today Jamuna Devi called me, Swamiji, today your birthday, why should not play the harmonium? I said, where am I going to put harmonium? I put harmonium in my head and I play harmonium. He said, no, find out something. And I put a table and put harmonium here. Because I don't sit there, my hall is open hall. Light lot up there. So that's why we are here. So anyhow, estoy muy contento, estoy muy feliz, estoy alegre. ¿Algo quiere decir un mensaje bonito a ustedes? Escúchame. Satya, Abhay, Shanti. Donde hay verdad, no hay miedo, hay paz. Satya. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. प्रेम, त्याग, शांती, दोंध्याय, सत्य, प्रेम, करुणा. सत्य प्रेम करुणा, 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 सत्य प्रेम करुणा. ओ सिद्धार्था, ¿dónde está? हेलो सिद्धार्था, आप कैसे हैं भाई, कहाँ पे हो? सिद्धार्था बोलो, आप कैसे हैं?
अभी मैं घर ड्राइव करके घर ही पहुंच रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, कोई बात है सर, ठीक है.
और कैसे हैं आप?
हम ठीक है जी, बहुत अच्छा है, थैंक यू. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम जॉयफुल.
Happy birthday once again. Thank you for being you. Really appreciate it.
सत्य प्रेम करुणा, थैंक यू. Not to do. Your ear should not. No presta su oreja para hacer hablar de mal, escuchar a mal. Don't hate no one. Don't hate no one any condition. And don't listen negative thing to one. Your ear should not be given to listen bad thing. Irsha. Don't compare everyone. Don't compare. Be yourself. Sing the song which no one sing. Bring the thought no one thought. Do the thing no one do. Be original. Don't follow no one. Even don't follow me. My guru said, 1972, Swami Satyananda sent me open ashram. And I he named Satyananda Ashram. First, he became angry. He said, why we put Satyananda Ashram? That was first ashram I put. And he said, Brahmodanan, why should not put your name? Why use my name? I said, Swamiji, how can you put my name? No, don't use my name for your purpose. Be original by yourself. But I started that ashram, 72 Satyananda Ashram, and that was big whole throughout the world, everywhere Satyananda Ashram. And he said, everywhere, Europe, Australia, America, even my ashram called Satyananda Ashram. He said, your head, something different. You do your thing, do from the heart. Satya Prabhu, you want for the love, joy, happiness, and that's why I'm going to send you. I'm throwing out the ashram, I'm going throwing the ashram. I say, I'm ready. You want to throw me? I'm ready. The 1 year he throw me. Ashram. And condition, you travel India, you have to bake the food. Don't sleep under any roof. You have to bake, take bath in the Ganga, sleep on the bank of the Ganga, bake the food, don't tell your name to no one. Sky, earth, that is your whole world. I was 6 months traveling myself in India. And one day he called me, Brahmodanan, finish, come back to the ashram. Now I will throw you out of my ashram, out of country. I said, I'm ready. Wherever you want to say, I have ticket to go Bolivia. And 75 he throw me and said to Bolivia. Look, because you have mission there, someone waiting for you. Guru no, disciple, faith on the Guru, and you have to follow order of the Guru. Realize yourself, transmit simple way the teaching. Don't call your Guru, your master, your humble servant of the world. And that humble humility you can teach. To my mission start from Bolivia in 1971. When I was in La Paz, I used to go Titicaca. Lago Titicaca was the highest lake in the world. And La Paz is the highest place in the world. There's no air that much. I enjoy myself because I tell my Guru, Swamiji, I want to go Tibet and Ladakh. He says, I'm going to say Ladakh, Tibet, Western world. Ah, Nindas, tan linda. So,
Hi, morning.
good morning.
So nice. Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. It's
So
my
she's-
birthday or your birthday?
No, me. Auntie Tara.
Thank you. Gracias.
His birthday or your birthday?
Yeah. So, Guru give the mission to you. The Guru give the mission to you. And your mission to serve the people, realize yourself, give happiness to the people, and make your life wonderful garden. One thing I ever tell you, this personal thing, eat a simple food. Don't harm other person to killing and eating. Eat simple food. Talk simple thing. Think simple thing. Be simple, be humble, be joyful, life will change. Kill your ego. Our enemy is ego. Or ego, I am this, I am this, I am this. Be humble, be simple. That's why I like the teaching of my Param Guru Swami Shivananda. I had a lot of experience with him, Rishikesh. Rishikesh, the seat of Swami Param Guru Shivananda. I saw many Swamis. I met many Swami in India. Miriam Romero, esta niña de dónde salió? Hola Miriam, mi niña. ¿Cómo está mi niña?
Hola, Swamiji. Hariom. Feliz cumpleaños.
Oiga, usted manda todos los meses me manda 3 millones. Yo soy millonario, usted está pobre. Todos los dineros tú sacas al banco, mandame 5 millones, mandaste. Mucho. Dios te bendiga, mi niña. Tú eres linda, Dios te bendiga. Me gusta su sonrisa. So, what I was talking? Change the quality of life. Follow the different teaching of Master. This is the teaching of Lord Krishna, Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, Bhakti Yoga. Evam satata yuktaye bhaktasta parupasate echap sharvekam tesham ke yoga vittama. Arjuna, the disciple of Krishna, asked, O Lord Krishna, what is the quality of disciple? What is called bhakti? And Lord Krishna says to him, every condition, good and bad, every situation happen in life, try to maintain harmony and balance. Sometimes ups and downs. When the day is there, night is waiting. When the suffering means pleasure is come. Every situation need to harmony. Every situation try to make balanced life. And that is the teaching. Teaching of Bhagavad Gita is very powerful. I will follow, I will give request to Bhagavad Gita you should read and practice it. I have one guest come from, just like recently come, one guest from Cuba. He come just now within 5 minutes. Él vino nadando. Mire, se llama Ramesh. Él habla solamente francés, no habla hindú. Mire, venga aquí. Diga Hariom.
Hariom.
¿Sabe quién es él? Él es querido esposo de Yamuna Devi. Él dice que su barba no va a quitar 50 años. Quiere competencia de mi de barba, porque tiene barba. Él es una persona humilde, simple, sencilla. Y él siempre me hace. ¿Sabe quién me quitó el pelo ayer? Él es, ahora no tengo que ir barbero. Él es mi barbero, me quita pelo. Pero yo digo que voy a quitar pelo de él también yo mañana. Competencia. Él es humilde, simple, sencilla y es una persona, un trabajador. Muy buena persona. y la ayuda a Yamuna Devi mucho. Yo estoy contento, es una pareja muy buena, muy buena, mucha bendición. Ok, gracias, Señor. Gracias, Dios. Gracias a Dios. Okay, come. Okay, say something now. Last message.
Hari Om. Thank you for being here today and celebrating Swamiji's birthday. We are all truly blessed. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Swamiji.
Gracias,
Hari Om.
gracias. Okay. Now, usted tiene que cantar conmigo. Anandoham, 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 Anandoham. Oh Lord, give me peace. Oh Lord, give me joy. Oh Lord, give me peace. Oh Lord, give me joy. Oh Lord, give me peace. Oh Lord, give me joy. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Rama 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 Sitaram 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 Radhe Shyam 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 Rama 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 Sitaram 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 Sitaram. I am a bhakti yogi. Bhakta, bhakti and Bhagwan. Bhakta means the devotee. Bhakti the process of. Esa escalera lleva a segundo piso. Usted subiendo. तो भक्त भक्ति and भगवान. Bhagwan means the God. To go the God, you need the process. Bhakti, the devotion, and you are follower, the bhakta. The three word. Bhakta, we are bhakta, follower. Bhakti, the devotion, cosmic devotion, and Bhagwan, the God. If you reach to the God, God always waiting for you. Lord Jesus, love, lay down never. Lord Buddha, Lord Krishna, Lord Rama, Lord Allah. All the God is coming from helping, guiding us so we can be, this world can be heaven. There is no hell, there is no heaven. We are created that hell and heaven. When we are suffering, we created ignorance, avidya, asmita, like a proper thinking. Heaven we create. Walk in the beautiful palace, a beautiful garden. Every change the quality of life. My prayer, my good wishes, my blessing, my love, all of you. The birthday was an excuse only to meeting you. I don't like to celebrate it. My Guru celebrates Satyananda, my birthday 50. That will never find that life. So much love he had. Each and every. I wish Satyananda should be with me. You know, I'm telling funny. I get up every day 4 in the morning. I come my room, I go to the hall. And many time I sit, he was sitting there. I said, I'm mad, I'm confused, I'm real. But I see visible form, God and Guru manifested with your love and affection. Be a good bhakta, good devotee, and let God come every moment you life. Every second what you do, God working through you, God talking through you. eating through you, listening through you, working through you, if a God is with you. Even you drive the car, your passenger is the God. No accident. He says, God, put your seat belt. Guru Govinda. Govinda Gopala. So that's why God in our life is very important. If God is your life, you don't have fear of death. Death ka mrityu, janma mrityu, they are born together. When we born, our death, birth and death, they born together. You declare this is my birthday, but you don't know where going to die. But they born together. When you born, you're going to die. When you born, they born together, but they go separately. So, who know this body is just instrument, anytime can go. Now I'm smiling, who know? Second moment. Live right now. Live right now. Past is history, future is mystery, present is gift. Live right now and change the quality of life. Change the quality of life. You don't know second moment what will happen. Repeat the mantra of Lord Shiva. Om Trayambakam Ejamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarko Bandhanat Mrityor Mokshi Yamaura. This mantra I learned when I age of 5 years old, my father. I'm not lying. My father teaches this mantra. Ado Ramata Pho Nadyan Dvamu Kanchanam. Ramayan, my father teach. So I have great father give my life, great mother give my life, but my spiritual life give my guru. The three person, the mother, Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava, and Devadi Deva. The guru, God, mother and father. The four person bring, they are the four pillar of life. Have faith on the mother, faith on the father, faith on the guru, and God will live with you always. God don't live in the temple. God is everywhere. God is with you. Every second God with you. So have the faith. Saludo, agua, pani, jal, water. So anyhow, have a simple life. Kill your ego. That is my suggestion to you. Give ego, anger, worry to vacation. Send the ego, anger, worry, preoccupation, vacation. And live with the love and compassion. Prema bhakti karuna. Develop the love unconditional. Give, don't expect. Plant the tree. Fruits will come proper time. Nature gives us, nature teacher. I had 3 birds in my ashram. Ram, Sita and Shakti. Cockatiel, they bird. They are very my friend. They were little baby and they grew up. And they live free without cage. They go and come. Animal, the bird, they are very powerful. But human being, God has given the intellect, the knowledge and wisdom to realize the God. Animal cannot realize the God. They don't go to church, they go to temple, they don't go to ashram. We are human being lucky to realize the God. Have God in your life, your guru in life, and let life become beautiful. Heaven in your life. My good wishes, my love, my blessing. Today I pray for all of you. I pray all of you for your health, happiness, wealth, prosperity, mucho dinero. Hopi plata. You know, I was in Aruba. Aruba they call papiamento. They say papiamento, conta vai cubo. Amito po nabo. Means, how are you? I'm doing good. How are you doing? Aruba, they speak papiamento. 1980, I used to Aruba. Aruba is a wonderful place. Aruba, Curaçao, Bonaire, San Martin. So anyhow, thank you. I have to go to dinner today. My boss my boss this morning cooked my nice food and he invited me 12:30 for the dinner and lunch. I'm going to go my birthday dinner with my boss cook nice food to me. Okay. 12:30. Sing with me last moment the kirtan and then I will do Shanti part. Bam 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 Mahadeva Har 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 Sadashiva Bam 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 Bhole Ramacharita Manas Bole Sita Ram Bolo Sita Ram Radhe Sham Bolo Radhe Sham Bam 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 Bhole Ramacharita Manas Bole Sita Ram Bolo Sita Ram Radhe Sham Bolo Radhe Sham Bam 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 Bhole Ramacharita Manas Bole Ramacharita Manas Bole Bam 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 Mahadeva Har 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 Sadashiva 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 Mahadeva Mahadeva Bam 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 Bole Ramacharita Manas Bole Bam 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 Bole Ramacharita Manas Bole. Gracias, thank you. Om Asato Ma Sadagamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Sustir Bhotu Sarvesham Shantir Bhotu Sarvesham Purnam Bhotu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhotu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Trayambakam Yajame Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukabandhana Pratyor Mokshayamamrata Om Naham Karta Hari Karta Hari Karta Naam Karta Gurudeva Karta Gurudeva Karta Satyam Saranam Gacchami Yogam Saranam Gacchami Sangam Saranam Gacchami Buddham Saranam Om Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Vidya Drinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tassat Hari Om. Gracias. Thank you. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Happy birthday.
¿Dónde está cake? No hay cake.
Feliz cumpleaños.
Ok, tráigame cake. Lunes, mándame cake. Ok, gracias. Hari Om. Hari Om. Gracias.